Hi guys, this is the Gosmilo X5 and ordered by French bias named Jane Joseph by a price $999. Now we do some quality check and then packing and ship. We upgrade the new heeloff sensor and the grip, the new grip footpad. For US market, we have the stock and the warehouse and can ship from US warehouse. For other market, if we ordered, we have to ship from China. But in the board price $999, we include the ship fees. That means it's free shipping to your door address by sea or train. If you need by air, it may cost another extra costs. So you need to contact us for the extra fees. Okay, thank you.